Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw 115-degree angle by using protractor. So let's start the video. First of all we have to draw a line. So first drawing a line of any length. Okay, so draw a line here. Now pointing out a point here to draw 115-degree angle. Now putting the protractor on the line perfectly. Next counting the angles. So this is starting 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90, 100, and this is 110 and 120. So between 110 to 120 we can get 115-degree angle. Okay, now joining this side to get 115-degree angle. So this is P, Q and R. So angle PQR equal to 115-degree. So therefore angle PQR, so angle PQR equal to 115-degree. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.